Hi
Oh,
everyone,
wow!
welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this super cute little sheep with a scarf. It's very easy to make, and anyone can do it. Let's get started. First, wrap 4 white pipe cleaners around a small stick. Stretch them out, then connect the pieces together. Then wrap them around a pencil. Thread it through the center. Pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess, then neaten the shape. Next, connect 3 more pipe cleaners and wrap them around the pen just like before. Thread it through the center. Pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Thread it through the center, apply glue, then secure it in place. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Fold the wire end inward. Wrap a pipe cleaner around a small stick, then stretch it out. Roll it into a flat circle, then glue it onto the top of the head. Glue it securely in place. Next, shape the pipe cleaner and add a dark pink piece to make an ear. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Make 2 ears, then glue them in place. Glue on the eyes and nose. Add the mouth. Twist a white and red pipe cleaner together to make the scarf. Wrap it around the neck, then apply glue and secure it in place. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Fold a 1.5 cm piece of pipe cleaner. Roll it up to make the arms. Make 2 arms, then glue them in place. Wrap a pipe cleaner around a small stick. Measure the right length, then glue it behind the head to add more wool. Add more wool in front of the ears. Roll a pipe cleaner into a small circle, then glue it on to make a foot. Make 2 feet, then glue them in place. Add a little blush. Roll a red pipe cleaner into 2 small circles, then glue them together. Add some green pipe cleaner to make the leaves. Glue the decoration onto the sheep's head. And our little sheep is finished. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. See you in the next video.